Aries provides an import tool for library parts via the pad's ASCII file format, which is supported by the PCB Librarian software. This movie shows how to use both tools to create and import a footprint into the Proteus libraries. You can download and install the free version of PCB Libraries Expert from their website. Once opened, the surface mount and through-hole buttons at the top presents you with a list of templates for creating a footprint. Once you select the template you want, hit the OK button to enter the main configuration screen. The reference button at the top will populate the various fields with an example part of the specified type. Normally, however, you would type in the values from a datasheet to define the land pattern that you want. When you make a change, press the OK button to commit the change and update the display. You cannot build the part with uncommitted changes. When you are finished, press the Build button and select the Proteus translator. For older versions of PCB libraries, you can choose a translator that supports PAD's ASCII output. The important information on this dialog is the layer mapping numbers. These identify which content belong on which layer and will need to be matched on the import side to the layer in Proteus. Next, launch the Import Package command from the Library menu in Aries. Navigate to the PAD's ASCII file on disk and select it for import. The first screen after import is the log window, which will list any warning messages or errors that have occurred during the import. This should be reviewed before moving on to create the part in Proteus. The next dialog will show a package preview on the right-hand side and some layer mapping options on the left. As mentioned earlier, the key thing here is to make sure that correct numbers are associated with the various layers in Aries. Assembly graphics can optionally be imported onto a mechanical layer, but be aware that this will cause problems if you specify the same layer as the mech layer used for slotting and routing. Part name, category and description are normally present in the imported file and will be passed through to the library selection page of the wizard. Once created, we can place the part to view and examine the solder mask and paste mask via the sliders on Display Options dialog.